Looking for the best green screens? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 green screens on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Andoer, Professional Green Screen Studio Backdrop. Especially affordable. Available in 4 sizes. Durable fabric. Simple yet solid. Does not wrinkle. Lightweight. Photographers who already have a core setup and just need a simple, but effective green screen will appreciate this inexpensive option. Rod, clamps and hanging accessories not included. At number 2. Fotodiox, Pro Collapsible Background Kit. Portable convenience. Affordable. Portable. Lightweight. Green on one side, blue on the other. Includes collapsible stand. Easy to assemble. Stand is 7 feet tall. Spacious 5 foot by 7 foot green screen. This inexpensive foldable green screen is the best model for frequent travelers. Its thinner material lets a little light through. At number 1. Corsair, Elgato Green Screen. Easy to mount to a ceiling or wall. Thickened durable material. Automatically locks in place when fully extended. Wrinkle-free. Retract into metal casing when tugged on. This simple to install green screen is the best model for a studio with space to spare. Best for large spaces. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.